Good afternoon, everyone. Our topic today is all about navigating your life in the right direction. So, what it means on that? So, say pasabot na. So, you need to navigate your life or position yourself where you want to be. So, asa ni mo gusto. So, you make decision according that you want to do. It's not for the approval of others, but for yourself. So, you do it with all your heart. We do it despite of inconvenience kung sa istorya sa ubang tao sa imo. So remember that whatever regrets or something nag-push back sa imo, so navigate your life directly according to your will. It doesn't mean that you will be self-imposed or selfish enough. What doesn't mean is you need to become certain sa path na imong gina-choose karon. So whatever habits that you build or you did push up every morning 20 counts a day, so it could navigate your life into the right direction. Right direction, so you need to navigate it. So remember that whatever you decide right now, whatever the things that you want to do in life, just do it. So right, like me, I did not decide for this na it could be a long term for me to become video editor. I'm current I'm currently working apart from my family. So I'm being alone. Totally I'm alone. I don't have friends a lot here. So new people, I meet new people, I meet strangers that become friends, and and to learn to meet and to navigate those right people na you want them na ginapaduulin mo sa imong life. So ikaw mismo need to understand na whatever the path that you are going through right now, make it sure that you are in the right circle of friends. So right people that could help you, not just to say negative things about you, but do not go to the people na puros negative lang ang ginaistorya or ginasay, uh, yeah, like sa social media. One of that is what we consume will become our identity. So what you are consuming, it also your becomes your identity. If you consume negativity, you will become negative people or negative person also. But you will consume positive information, positive thinking, and clearly thinking about it, that you become good not because of how good you are, but because how certain your word that could help you in the journey, the path that you want to be. So always be grateful to God for whatever the path that you are going through right now. Maybe you are become a athlete, a doctor, a teacher, what lawyer, whatever field that you have. So my field right now is content creation. So I do this not because I'm feeling this to do to do this. I've been motivated. I'm not motivated. I'm just documenting my life. This is the preparation of navigating my path to become successful soon. Yeah, maybe it's cringe to think na wala pa gid ako nakuha. Yeah, it's cringe to think. Pero I believe that one day God will give it to me in the right heart, in the right character that builds my faith along the process that I'm going through right now. So dili lang ni siya basta kani siya na information, dili lang siya basta content lang. You will learn life. Whatever that I will say here, it comes from the Bible and also from the books that I read before. So I'm a reader. I read a lot of books, and that's how I become confident, and also it helps me to navigate things. Maybe makasipyat magi ka sa pag-istorya English, doesn't matter. What's matter is you continue developing yourself. That's the right thing to do. So be confident that who you are. So navigate your path in Christ likeness. So it doesn't mean you 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 will become isolated, or like me, I've been alone right now. So I didn't impose that, but find a right community that helps you grow spiritually, in character, even the knowledge that 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 will consume you, even the right information. So remember that we have different path, but you know that path maybe it's blurry pa nato, dili pa nato makit-an, pero I believe that is the starting point that you will become and be more confident to yourself, that you choose to be not be dictated for what the others say about you. You will be motivated, or you will be the one person who is hunger for learning, who is hunger for knowledge, to go and to move forward despite of what the others say about you. Be weird, be weird for the eyes of people, because we have different talents according to multiple intelligence. So use your talent accordingly that you want it to do in life, so that it would also help you to navigate where you are the right path that is for you. So try everything, try learn everything. I once also, yeah, my courses teacher, and also learn how to fix computer hardware, like computer laptops, like na, and as I learned from technical. So I also uh, head tech from the Pagadian. I served church for 7 years, and yeah, it learns me a lot. To think of marag kuan lang siya, no, marag sayang, no, pero I believe that those time that I'm learning from it, I know that I will use it from the future. So yeah, but whatever you path that you are going through, I suggest learn one. So master one skill first. So for that book that books I recommend to you, Mastery by Robert Greene. So it's to identify the the skills that you have. So one of the books that helped me also to identify. So yeah, remember that it's not about who you want to be in life, but it's your identity. It belongs to God. So remember that you are not alone with your journey. From my previous video kagahapon. So navigate your path in the right way. So God bless everyone.